Y'all, I got a new technique for you. Guess you never heard of this one. It's called the bow cast. So, time our cast, but instead, you're gonna use a bait like a wacky worm. Have your two ends like this. And basically, you're gonna swing it. So we're gonna draw our string back. We're gonna let go, and then pretty shortly after, we're gonna let go of our finger. Look at that. Right on the edge of the dock where I wanted it. You can't really see that, but right on the edge there. It's a little technique I just figured out. Basically the equivalent of flipping or pitching, but just with a spinning rod. See, I have my spinning rod here, and I got my wacky worm, so I can put it wherever I want. Gonna aim right under the dock here. Simple as that. Little technique you can do. You're not too accurate with your spinning rod. I'm able to do this with casting a little better. But if you want to try a little different tactic here, you can try your old boat cast. You know, this technique can also get you pretty far, but not as far as a normal cast. Probably about as far as you can catch a bait on a bait caster. Now I made it to the edge of the dock over there. That's probably a good 15 feet away. Pretty good. A little technique you want to implement on your fishing trips, you can do that.